Hi, this is Helen with Natural Zing, and here is your immunity tip for the day. So I decided to share one of my recipes that I enjoy. It's for de-stressing, and that's the theme for today. And I make a hot chocolate elixir, and I put calming herbs in there. So I start off my elixir with cocoa powder, and then I add maca to, it helps the hormones balance. And sometimes you're stressed because your hormones are out of whack. Maca also helps with energy and focus. So if you have a lot to get done that day, that's going to help you do that. I also add ashwagandha because that helps protect the stress hormone. And then I have reishi, which not only helps boost the immune system, but also helps with, it's a calming mushroom. So I'm going to start off with my cocoa powder, and I use a ball jar. And I'm going to use about a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, because I really love cocoa powder. Plus, this is a big mug. I store mine in a ball jar because I use it so much. And then I'm going to add my maca. That's about half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon. That would be too much, tablespoon. Half a teaspoon. Then a 1/4 teaspoon of the ashwagandha. And a 1/4 teaspoon of the reishi. Put all of that in there. I add my hot water. Fill it all the way up. I use my big spoon to stir that. Looks very good. Here, I don't know if you can see. Maybe you can see. Nice and hot. Sometimes it's great to have a nice warm beverage to calm your nerves as well. Very good. Now, if you would like it to be a little sweeter, you can add some honey or some stevia. I have some honey here, and sometimes the herbs make it makes it a little bitter, so you want to add some sweetener to tone that down. Now, I'm not one that uses a lot of sweetener, but I'm going to add some here. There we go. Oh, very good. Great start to the day, and that's your immunity tip for today.